I just connected my Meta Ads account to Claude. It pulled a full report all for free in about 10 seconds. So let me show you how to do the same. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you step by step on how to connect, and we'll also check a couple of use cases that you can use on your ads. Now this is the official MCP, so you don't need to worry about having any problems with your ad account, having any restrictions, but it's not fully released to everyone yet, mainly based on the location. So check it for yourself and see if you can use it. Currently, the Meta MCP can be connected to Claude, Claude Code, ChatGPT and Perplexity. I already have a video on ChatGPT and now we are going to focus on Claude. Here's the official announcement from Meta. You can connect Meta Ads to AI connectors, and then it also has the URL that we can use to connect. There are specific instructions for the MCP server, and this is the URL that we are going to use. So to get started, the first step has to be opening Claude and then clicking on Customize, and then we'll click Connectors, and then we'll create a new one. So here we are in Claude. Let's go to Customize, search for connectors on the left side, and then add a new connector. Click on the top right corner, and then add a custom connector. Now here you can name it however you would like. I just name it Meta Ads MCP. And then for the URL, let's just take this, drop it in the pinned comments as well under the video. Go here, paste, and basically that's all you need to do. Don't worry about the advanced settings. Let's just click add. And now this is the message I have, that I'm not connected to Meta Ads MCP yet. So let's hit connect, and it's going to take you back to Facebook. Let's switch to my personal account. Now here's a step-by-step that we just have to continue. Yes, we want to connect Claude to Ads MCP server, so let's continue. You can select if you only want to use it for current pages only, or current and future pages. So if you get a new client 2 months from now, they will automatically be added. I would suggest using this feature. So let's continue. And then same here for the businesses. And again, the same option for Instagram accounts. Once ready, we can just review the access one more time and we can save. Now everything has been connected, so let's just finish the setup. And now we are connecting. I automatically get a notification to open Claude. So yes, and let's go back to Claude. And then here we have it. And it just updated from not connected to connected. So now here are all the permissions. Currently, everything needs approval. You can just set to always allow, and you don't need to worry about this, and then check everything else. So this one you can also allow, and then let's just set up everything. So it's ready. So that was the full setup. It took about 2 minutes. Now just test and make sure everything works correctly. So go back to Claude, click the plus icon, look at connectors, and then make sure Meta Ads MCP is turned on. And just let's give it a simple prompt. For example, list all the active businesses you have access to on Meta. Before you continue and fully rely on AI, you need to make sure you have full context for the AI about your business, your offer, the landing page you use, and you also need to make sure the tracking and attribution is on point, your attribution is not delayed, your tracking is 100% accurate, and you still need a basic understanding of Meta Ads just to make sure you can ask the proper questions from AI. Here are a couple use cases and prompts we can use. You can use it for daily decisions, which campaigns to kill, which campaigns to scale, for reporting, weekly, daily, monthly, creative iteration, catalog management, campaign management, setting up new ads, looking at activity logs on who made the changes. So this is going to be super helpful for marketing agencies. It's going to help you save some costs. And also, if you are a freelancer managing 5, 10, 15 ad accounts, it's going to save you so much time and effort. I also have a couple of prompt examples that we are going to take a look at now. First, we are going to analyze a Meta ad account and also look at some of the next steps that we should take. So copy the first prompt and go back to Claude. Here it already listed the businesses I have access to. So for now, I'll focus on a specific one and ask for the report. Alright, so I just asked Claude to analyze the Meta ad account data like a senior media buyer, tell me what's working and what's wasting ad spend. I'll drop these prompts inside the pinned comment along with the URL you need to use for the setup. So use them, let me know how they work. So I just played around with the prompts a little bit. Here's one that I really liked. If I move 20% of my budget from my worst performing ad set to my best one, what would be the impact? So this one gave me a breakdown, but I just thought it illustrate with a slider or a chart, and then this is what I get. So I have two options that I can switch between, and then I can also move the slider. What would happen if I didn't move the budget at all? or if I moved all my budget from the best performer, and then it actually calculates in real time what would be the difference in purchases, what would I gain, and you can also calculate it for 55%. So this is really nice. And here you can already see Claude is suggesting Cowork. So if you use Cowork, this is going to automate it for you, a daily task or a weekly task that can be used for weekly reports, client reports, daily optimizations, and suggestions on what to change. So I think this is pretty crazy. There are way more use cases with Claude, so I can make a new video, another one on that. Let me know if you would like to see that in the comments. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next video.